Hey YouTube, Nicole from Outdoor Defense here. I just wanted to say thank you so much to all of you who have been watching my videos, who subscribed, who comment, who like, who share. I have 1,000 subscribers now, over 1,000 subscribers now, and I'm so thankful to all of you because you are the reason why I do these videos on solo hiking, adventuring, and self-defense for the outdoors, because I want to help you all live your lives limitlessly and do the things that bring you joy without feeling fearful that you won't be able to handle yourself if you encounter a worst case scenario. And I want to give you practical and simple skills that apply to more than just worst case scenarios so that you can live your life full of power and finding your voice and knowing that you have options. I love what I do. I'm thankful to all of you. Stay tuned. Outdoor Defense Season 4 will return. I haven't decided when, but you can watch all 60 episodes that are available here on YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm quite active there, and I'll be posting, little videos about my adventures and stuff. And I want to hear from you if you want to see more just adventure and like blogging, vlogging content here on YouTube. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see some of that here as well. And also, I'd love to hear from you. You can also find me on my website, NicoleSnell.com. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my journey. Share my videos with your friends, and you can also find me on Ko-fi, K-O-F-I. If you have learned anything from my videos and want to offer me a digital tip, you can buy me a smoothie via Ko-fi. I would very much appreciate the support, and I hope to see you soon. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.